Friends, today let us gain knowledge on test data. Friends, test data is preparing test case development phase. It is third phase of STLC. Friends, test data means data created or selected to satisfy the execution precondition and input content required to execute one or more test cases. To explain in brief, for example, we are testing an application which has some backend calculation. For example, consider a calculator app. So the calculator app should perform some calculation. For that, to verify whether it is performing correctly or not, we have to input some data like 5 and 2 and process addition. So if the calculator app produces 7, the expected output, we can confirm that it is performing addition operation. We have to check all the operations with different kinds of data from low to high and complex data. For this purpose, test team prepared test data to check the backend calculations and process the application. In preparing this test data, the test team have to face some challenges. Their test team doesn't have access to the data sources. There is a lot of delay in giving production data access to the testers by the developers. All the applications which we are going to test will not be similar to the calculator app. There will be complex applications. We need complex input data, for which we have to access some data sources. Some real-time data should be needed, and this test data should be in large volume. And this large volume data has dependencies in combinations and dependencies in other parameters. And overcoming all these parameters, we should not use the same test data for different n number of test cycles. We have to refresh it. We have to create a new test data. These are the challenges of testing in. Friends, please click on subscribe button to support our channel Abhey, and also please click on like button and share this video to your friends who are eager to gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, I heartfully thank you for your valuable support to our Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. I hope it will continue forever.